Hey everybody, the play that Fernando Mendoza threw the touchdown pass to bring it to 41-7 is a pass pattern that is a Bill Walsh staple that has become a lost art. In the early days of the Bill Walsh offenses with the 49ers, he was known for a pattern that tight ends primarily ran, where they would go upfield, fake like they're going out pattern, and then come back in toward the middle. He then brought this to Stanford, and anybody who remembers the big game when Bill Walsh played Stanford, particularly the 1992 big game, remembers how we were killed with this pattern. Well, it's back, but it's ran by Mendoza in Indiana. Watch, Mendoza takes the snap, takes one step, two step. Now, as he's doing this, watch the second of the two receivers here. This one, it looks like he's about to turn at just about where the yellow line is to run it out, right? And the defense does what? Defensive back here bites, right? And then he stops and then he turns back. Got him. Nailed. Meanwhile, what is Fernando doing? He's cocking to throw. So he throws it to score. And see how wide open he is? Why? Because the defensive back was beaten on the fake out post pattern. This play is a lost art. It used to be quite common in the NFL. It was common with Bill Walsh teams. And watching it now is a reminder, to me at least, how little it has been replicated in football. Hopefully we see it with Cal later this year and other teams. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube and bookmark NFL News.